All right. Hello, hello, hello. This is the actual official start. Hello, hello, and welcome and good morning. I appreciate the wave. Thank you. Welcome to the 2024 Carnegie Mellon Sports Analytics Conference. Can I get a good morning, some applause, some hello? All right, fantastic. Just checking if everybody's awake. I assume Sam is keeping it lively over in Steinberg. So my name is Rebecca Nugent. I'm the head of the Department of Statistics and Data Science here at Carnegie Mellon, and I'm one of the Carnegie Mellon Sports Analytics co-founders. I just want to just warmly welcome everyone to this event. As you can see, it's getting bigger and better every year. We actually purposely try to keep it contained to 2 rooms. So we appreciate everybody getting their registration in early this time. We had far fewer last minute emails and texts being like, wait, I need to get in, please, this kind of thing. So thank you so much. And we hope that you continue coming to this conference for years to come. When we first started Carnegie Mellon Sports Analytics, it was really kind of a small group of really dedicated people who were interested in open source, reproducible research, kind of taking all of these complex data sets and doing something really cool with them. We believed in setting the data free. We believed in working, kind of changing the game, so to speak, pun intended. But we also really believed in building pipelines and trying to get as much access and opportunity to as many students and as many junior professionals, junior faculty, academics, et cetera, as many as possible. So how do we build pipelines to this incredibly exploding sports data science field, so to speak? And what was fun along the way is we learned that there were so many people in the United States and around the world who believe the same thing that we do. And it simply would not be possible to have this kind of event and to have this sort of sold out thing and workshops and all the research projects and big data bowls and projects and internships and new master's programs that are happening with people in this audience and certificates and undergrad programs. This has all been built these last 10, 15 years because of this group, right? And so we want to just kind of say congratulations to not just, to everybody here look at the amazing thing we're doing, that we're building as a field. And one of the things, what is happening over there? Telecommunicate, it happens. All right, we're good. Okay, and so part of the reason we can do that is that we have a wonderful set of sponsors and external partners, professional sports teams and related organizations who are donating their time, donating their expertise, financial support, projects, et cetera. And it's because of all of that that what we can do is every single dollar that gets raised for a conference or that gets raised for a workshop goes right back into that event and goes right back into the people who are coming. So literally every single dollar that has come in for this conference, we have turned around and put right back into the event. So that you're going to eat all day. Goodness gracious, you all eat an awful lot. We have all kinds of receptions, travel awards, prizes for research. So I just want to thank you for that support. We are not doing this. We are not making money. Again, I want to repeat, it is all going right back into the event and to the people who come. And that's only possible due to our sponsors and our partners. So thank you very much. The Carnegie Mellon Sports Analytics has really grown. I still remember when some of the people who were involved were graduate students, and we kind of had this vision of what this could be someday. And it's been an unreal amount of very hard but very fun work to get to what I'm going to say next. But it is my very big pleasure, my extreme honor to introduce the inaugural director of the Carnegie Mellon Sports Analytics Center, Ron Yurka.
Thank you, Dr. Nugent, for that introduction. All of this, again, is not possible actually without Dr. Nugent and her leadership. She's the one that had this idea many years ago, which I don't know if she regrets it or not, but it's going pretty well, I think, so far. But I just want to say thank you all to in attendance, those of you that joined us at the workshop yesterday, and then for everyone being here today. You're going to see a variety of fantastic talks, both by leaders in the field as well as students. And again, that's part of why we do this event. All right, it's about building the community. And I said this last year, and I'll say it again this year. I see a lot of familiar faces, but at the same point in time, I see a lot of new faces, and that's the goal. All right, and we're bigger this year than we were last year, and hopefully that trend keeps going. So I don't want to talk talk too long, you'll see my ugly face throughout the day. But we're going to kick things off. I want to give a big thanks to our sponsors here. Okay, there we go. Our workshop sponsor yesterday, Avenue for Analytics, helped make that possible. We had a great workshop led by Jim Albert and David Dalpiaz. So again, all those materials are online if you weren't able to check out the workshop, and then the recordings will be posted later as well. I want to thank our networking sponsor, Cleat Street. So a big networking reception that will take place at the end of the day. It'll actually be in a different building. We're going to show off the brand new Highmark Athletics Wellness Center that was built here, CMU campus. So you have to check that out at the very end of the day with great food. And then I also want to thank our lunch break sponsor, the National Football League. We got the Shield to sponsor lunch this year. Pretty excited about that. And during lunch, there will be the fantastic poster session. There will be prizes for the posters as well. And that's sponsored by Sumer Sports. So thank you to Sumer. And then we have a coffee break sponsor being the Milwaukee Brewers. And then a number of different supporting sponsors, Pittsburgh Pirates, was now Teamworks that was previously Zealous as a continued sponsor of the event, the Pittsburgh Penguins, the Houston Astros, and the Boston Red Sox. So a big thank you to all of our sponsors across the variety of levels for helping make this event possible and the high quality that it is. All right, so now we're gonna switch over to the main event and our invited talks. So I'm very excited to welcome our first invited speaker, Tom Bliss, Senior Manager, Football Operations Data Scientist for the NFL. He started in the NFL back in February 2020 as a data scientist, promoted to role in January 2024. A master's degree in data science at Columbia University. And he received the Bachelor's of Science in Physics and Astronomy with minors in Mathematics and Computer Science at University of Wisconsin-Madison. So just like a nice example there of different backgrounds and knowledge that can go into a data scientist type of career. So let's give a warm welcome to Tom.